Little trestles bank.
Out of here.
So we rocked in. We got the blue waves. Here's Tonyo, and he reckons that this is the spot today. It's like a little Moroccan trestles out there. So first surf in. It's gonna be pretty fun. I'm gonna take out the quad. So many spare fins.
Futures of FCS, Kale, answer the question for us.
Well, air balls. Ooh. Like a trestles. Alright, we're going to have a look at your little cutback just quickly. Broadly speaking, notice how I'm starting my bottom turn high on the wave here, and you're actually hanging in the flats for quite a long time before you go into your bottom turn, which means you're losing speed. Notice your arm goes back very quickly as well, which can throw you off. You want to use that pull of the arm to actually signify the start of the extension. So I think for you, the simple cue would be to be lower for longer at the bottom of the wave. So if I play it out, notice how much longer I'm in that low position for, and the arm forward.
Yeah.
And you're whipping it back really quickly.
Yeah, mine's already gone.
Yeah, you've gone a little bit too soon, whereas I'm saving it until I extend, and then I've got maximum speed, maximum rotational potential.
Yeah.
And then if we look at the actual maneuver, we're just looking at you finishing that turn a bit early. Yeah, you're not committing to looking all the way back to the pocket. So that's how where you take it up. You said, how do we level up the turns? That's how we do it.
Yeah. Yeah, look at your ball. You're going that way. I'm going that way. Still.
Yes, you're kind of cutting that turn about 90 degrees too short.
Yeah.
Potentially. Next session. Well, I haven't surfed this much in a long time. We've been doing like 3-hour sessions each day. I even pulled a 5-hour. So I'm just gonna rest up for a bit, have some nice dinner here at Blue Waves, and then be ready tomorrow for another big day. It's very productive already. It's first thing in the morning, and we're just waiting on a cab to head down to some waves. I reckon it could be alright, but we're on Moroccan time, so we might be waiting 5 or 10 minutes.
Fuck again. Generous.
We found some waves for the big boards.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's gonna be fun out there, guys.
I think it's gonna be pretty good. Yeah. It's empty. Look at this. Look at these setups. Woo-hoo-hoo. How you feeling, Mikey?
Good, feeling good.
I've really been loving riding the 7.0 that I got made in France from Cell. It's just been super calming, and when you're exhausted or when the waves are kind of big and slopey, it ends up being just such a more cruisy, relaxing and fulfilling session, as opposed to just going out there and trying to shred. I think from a technical point of view, the boards are really good because you've got a bigger ship to steer, right? So technique has to be slowed down, technique has to be perfected. It has to be, in general, things have to slow down a lot and be more conscious in how they're applied. So you generally have to be lower for longer. You have to be really conscious of where you're looking and where you're pointing. And for those reasons, I think longer boards are a really good technique intervention for improving one's surfing on a wave. Just rocked up, and there's a couple, and by a couple I mean lots, and there's not a single human.
Watch out Jamaica today, guys.
What? I can't believe this. I'm surfing non-stop. This is so sick. Hey, hey, come here. Oh, you are so cute. I actually can't believe how good this place is. I mean, I knew Morocco had waves, but the waves have been incredible. Like, probably one of the most productive surf trips I've ever done. And I'm only 10 days into a month-long trip. It's been absolutely incredible. So I can't wait to see what else we get. I'm so excited that we've actually committed to working with Blue Waves Surf House, which is where I've been staying. We're going to bring the Surfers Roadmap back here in 2023 and do some retreats, some coaching retreats, which I think will be really, really good. There are so many good intermediate surf options, so I'm absolutely frothing for that. I've been staying here and it's been epic. The guys have been so good, and have become really good friends. They're absolute legends. I would not recommend staying anywhere else. And I'll only ever stay here if I come back. When I come back, far out. Such a sick trip. Alright, we've got plenty more content coming. So, yeah, I'll see you guys soon. If you want more info, check out the links in the description below. Join me on Instagram at KalesBroccoli, at the Surfers Roadmap. I'll see you guys soon. You.